Welcome back, everyone. I'm Clayton Hubler, Sales Manager with Vengeant Apparatus, bringing you today's featured apparatus showcase, that being Pierson County Rescue Squad from North Carolina, sold by Atlantic Emergency Solutions, sales rep Rudy Doering. If you follow me around the apparatus, I'm going to just feature some of the highlights, starting at the front end with the T-Series lights on the grill in slider position 1 right now, so they're just on a slow flash pattern. Coming around to the side, we have the M series on the front fenders. Top of the apparatus, we have a 54-inch Whelen Liberty 2 light bar duo. Again, slider position 1 right now, a slow flash pattern. Coming around to the body module, we feature a 15-foot surge body module, custom built in-house, featuring extruded corners. Up top here, you'll see the M9 series emergency lights and the M9 EZ series scene lights. A Quizmo auto eject. And we'll start going through some of the compartments here, featuring the in-house fabrication storage solutions done here by Vengeant Apparatus. Front compartment is going to be more for their rehab support. Storage for folding chairs, folding tables. On the other side, they'll have some additional resources for the rehab support. Front wall, you'll see a 3-phase breaker panel controlling the Harrison Hydrogen 20 kW generator. We'll talk a little bit more about that later on. Above me, you'll see a side automatic awning provided to us by Carefree Awnings of Colorado. Second transverse compartment will have additional storage for their rehab support. Both front 2 compartments, storage solutions are on SlideMaster dual direction slide out trays. Again, fabrication done on top of those trays in-house by our Vengeant fabrication team. Third street side compartment, again, more rehab supplies, a misting fan. Second one will be mounted there once the apparatus gets back to the firehouse in North Carolina. The rear wall is vented for the purpose of airflow. That's going to be associated with our compressor system that's on board. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a few seconds. Fourth compartment, again, just storage, shelves for the customers' needed supplies to support this vehicle at the fire ground. Coming around the rear side, we'll again feature M9 series scene lights up top, M9 EZ scene lights below. Innovative control folding steps, powder coated black, Hansen grab rails. Rear area is going to be mainly what this apparatus is purposed for. That's going to be a Bauer 13 CFM compressor system that supports 4 6,000 PSI Cascade cylinders in the back. All this was installed by Compressed Air Products right here in Pennsylvania. They just finished the install a few days ago. It's going to have a 2-position fill station. Above that area, you're going to see a Whelen 2240 traffic advisor that will, in response mode and when the traffic advisor is activated, flash in an amber color. Just above that, you're going to see a Roscoe camera for reverse purposes. The display screen's in the center console, replacing the rear view mirror of the cab. Coming around to the side of the curb, again, Curbside 4 compartment, and more equipment mounting done in-house by Vengeant team. Lower side is going to be for air packs and spare air cylinders. Mounting from Pack Tools for a set of irons. And above it's going to be electrical charging systems for battery devices, flashlights, and their thermal imaging camera. Curbside 2, again, vented for the cross ventilation of the compressor system. The outside areas of this compartment have custom mount brackets for a 20-pound dry chemical extinguisher and then a pressurized water can. Curbside 2 is going to be the opposite side of what we saw here for the rehab support. Again, some more equipment mounting done in-house by Vengeant team. The lower side has a battery-powered Milwaukee chainsaw. Curbside 1 is again going to be basically the same thing as the other side, just for their support of the folding tables and the folding chairs. And then you'll see some storage up top here for miscellaneous items that they might need for the rehab scene. All of this is put on a Ford F600 series 4x4 chassis. And then the final comment we'll have up top is that it's a Command Light Shadow Series scene light featuring 2 high-vis brow lights. If you want to feature the inside, the center console is custom built here inside by our 911 Just Box It team. Mounting of the department provided mobile radio, and then some warning lights for the light tower being elevated, along with a door jar switch, and then the PTO activation button right next to the handheld mic for the mobile radio. Final feature I just want to mention is that the graphics were done in-house by our graphics team at Market Graphics. Nothing is outsourced here at Vengeant. Everything's done in-house. You'll see the compartment coatings and the fender coatings are all done in-house, again with the PPC black material. Exterior PPC spray is UV protected. Again, I'd like to thank Pearson County Rescue Squad, North Carolina, Atlantic Emergency Solutions, sales rep Rudy Doering, for having trust in us to build such a unique apparatus. If you or anyone you know is looking for an apparatus such as this, or any of the builds that we make, such as the Blizzard, Surge, Squall, or Sandstorm, reach out to us or your local sales representative via email or phone. Thank you again. We'll see you at the next one.